With the new GeForce RTX 4070, gamers finally have access to an affordable option for upgrading to the latest GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards. The chipmaker has released the Founders Edition card at $599, and it boasts a compact design that can fit into normal-sized computer cases. Moreover, users have access to both the 8-pin and 16-pin power connectors, depending on the manufacturer's choice, allowing them to overclock the RTX 4070 to its limits. To help you find the RTX 4070 that best fits your budget and needs, we've rounded up a range of custom models from major AIB partners. Starting with the GeForce RTX 4070 Founders Edition, this card is available exclusively at Best Buy and retails for a mere $599.99. MS also has several great options, including its Ventus 2X12G card at $599.99, Ventus 3X12G at $599.99 and Ventus 3X12G OC at $629.99, as well as its flagship Gaming X Trio 12G at $649.99. Asus has several models, such as the Dual, $599.99, Dual White Edition, $609.99, Dual White OC Edition, $609.99, Tough Gaming, $679.99, and Tough Gaming OC, $679.99. Next, Gigabyte has a few desirable RTX 4070s, like the Eagle OC12G at $639.99, Arrow OC12G at $679.99, Windforce OC12G at $599.99 and the Gaming OC12G at $669.99, as well as the Aorus Master 12G at $699.99. Zotac has the Twin Edge, $599.99, Twin Edge OC, $629.99, AMP Arrow, $669.99, and Trinity, $599.99. Turning to PNY, you'll find the Vetro Dual Fan at $599.99, XLR8 Gaming Vetro Epic X at $679.99 and XLR8 Gaming Vetro Epic X OC at $679.99. Finally, Colorful has some excellent custom cards, like the NBXV, $599, iGame Vulcan OCV, $819, iGame Advanced OCV, $709, iGame Ultra W OCV 2V, $659, and the iGame Neptune OCV, which comes with its own liquid cooling system at $829. With so many incredible options for the new GeForce RTX 4070, users can easily find a top-quality graphics card that fulfills their 1440p gaming needs. Whether you're looking for an affordable card from the Founders Edition line, a model to overclock, or something with a high-quality liquid cooling setup, you can't go wrong with the RTX 4070. Grab one now and take your gaming to the next level.